Governor Abbott gave the go-ahead last week for groups like the Boys and Girls Club of the Coastal Bend to immediately resume operations. Of course, there'll have to be some changes, and Roland Rodriguez joins us live this morning with a look at what to expect. Good morning, Roland.
Good morning, Mike, and good morning, South Texas. The organization will reopen its doors next Monday on June 1st. And for the past month, staff members have been really busy getting ready to welcome back area kids since closing in mid-March due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Under phase 2 of Governor Greg Abbott's plan to reopen Texas, child care centers, daycares, and youth programs like the Boys and Girls Club of the Coastal Bend were given the go-ahead to reopen. But when kids walk in next week, there'll be some noticeable changes.
Is when the parents come, they will not be allowed inside the facility. We will do a drop-off at the front entryway, and there will be 2 staff out there that will take temperatures and ask some health questions. And then the child will be allowed to come into the facility, and then they will go to a home room like they would typically do at school.
The organization will also provide face masks and implement hand washing into its normal routine. Unfortunately, safety guidelines will not allow them to serve the same numbers as it would normally.
What it means for the Boys and Girls Club is that we'll be able to actually serve 60 youth and do the traditional programming that we're known for throughout the summer. This year, instead of taking 250 to 300 kids, we are taking only 60, and that's to comply with CDC and the state of Texas guidelines.
But serving a smaller group will ensure that all measures are followed and kids will have fun safely.
Unfortunately, with everything that's going on, the norm is not the norm anymore, and there's going to be a new one. But I think it'll be a positive one. At least the parents will feel that their children are safe when they're here.
Unfortunately, with only being able to take 60 of its current members, the Boys and Girls Club of the Coastal Bend will not be able to open up to the general public at this time, but we will let you know when they do. Mike?